Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking a little bit more about car organization. I've had this little caddy on the back of the driver's seat right in front of Remy for quite some time. I'm sure you saw when I did a video on when I organized inside my car. So this was what I bought and I love this because it had this stripe here that, as I said, looks very good. Remy is getting taller and she has been kicking the caddy and she's made a hole in it here, so I'm not able to use the front pocket. And I just wanted to go through to make sure what is in here. Has anything expired? Is there anything I don't need? And I think I kind of wanted to move to a hard caddy. So what it does, this just straps around my headrest and then hangs out in the back. Why I chose like a small little bucket caddy like this rather than the back seat thing, I had the back seat one and I just find the more pockets that you have is the more things you're gonna find to put in there. Like, it was so unnecessary, the things that I had in there. I was like, nobody needs this amount of stuff. Like, where am I going? So yes, if I'm driving for longer distances, there will be more things that I need to put in my car. But for an everyday ride, this is what I need in here. And I even think there's too much stuff in here. So let me go through and let me show you the new caddy that I bought. Just because Remy is getting really rough and she's kicking up the fabric caddy, I wanted to get something that was a little bit harder. Also, Levi goes into the car first, so he has to pass between the caddy and Remy's seat, and because the caddy is so wide, I'm always up him head. So I got this caddy here. This is the full rest ready to go up. Oh, is that upside down? Here we go. Alright, so let's see. First thing is it comes with the clips to put it onto the back of the headrest. So there's two longer clips, so I guess depending on where you want the headrest to sit, and two shorter clips. And then from those clips, from the headrest, there's a little hook at the bottom here, and this is where you would hang this caddy. Oh, there's someone. What is this? What is that? Oh God, I have to read the instructions. Insert the clips, connect hook with clip, hung hooks on headrest column, open or fold to use. So I have to put this in here, this way, or was it the other way? Picture's not even really that good. It's this way. I don't want to slide it all the way. I mean, this looks simple. Is this what it's supposed to do? Okay, there. Oh, I think it'd be the other way. No, it doesn't go the other way. Alright, where's the other one dropped?
A few moments later.
Okay. So it came with these panels. I just put these panels in as instructed by the directions. And I think I'm gonna try out the shorter hooks first. So wait a sec. Hang hooks from headrest. It's not that easy. Like so. Off the back of it. Oh no, it's on wrong. Because you have to go like this.
2 very boring minutes later.
Just a reminder, this is not a how-to video, okay? So now I have my little pocket and my two straps that I'm gonna go on the seat with the hooks. Dear Lord. So this little container here, where I chose this one, it's extendable. So it can hold stuff, but not too much. So there you go, it's extended to about what? 4 inches. And then there's a little fold down at the flap at the front. So you can put like a juice bottle or something here, just like a little tray table, which I thought was really cute. You know, driving with the phone or the iPad, there's this little table. You have like little food or whatever, you can just fold this flap down. Very cute, very, very cute. All right, so the things that I'm gonna put in my container are, first off, Remy uses disposable masks. These ones are individually wrapped. I will link everything down below. But individually wrapped, I actually did not purchase these consciously knowing. What did it say? I didn't purchase these because they're individually wrapped. I need to eat lunch. That must be the problem. I purchased these because of the prints. And then when I saw that they were individually wrapped, I was like, okay, it's neither here nor there to me. So I'm gonna put in my masks. Something else that I use every day. I don't know what Remy does on the way to school, but every time she gets to school, like I need to wipe her face. It's always so crusty. There's toothpaste, there's bubble. So I just have some wipes here. These are the Johnson's hand and face wipes. So I'll just wipe her little face before I put on her mask. Then I have a alcohol-free foaming hand sanitizer. I bought, this is probably expired, but this have alcohol in there, so it should be good. Yeah, definitely expired. Well, we ain't gonna waste because this brand ain't cheap. So hand sanitizer, I'm actually waiting for this to finish. I bought this when Levi was a baby at like a pack of 4 because, you know, first time mommy buy all these little cute brands. We're gonna finish it. Pack of tissues, just regular little dry tissues because boo-boo. What is this? Protect sunscreen roll-on. Forgot I had this in here. So this is a roll-on lotion mineral sunscreen SPF 50. So you don't have to like rub up your kid, you know? You don't have to like get your hands all lotiony and horrible. You can just use the roll-on here and just kind of, that's horrible. You're still gonna have to rub it. Do I need this in the car though? Do I need this in the back? Like, am I rubbing them with sunblock right before they go anywhere? No. So we're gonna move this now because now we're trying to figure out, well, no, we aren't doing anything. I am doing all the hard work. You guys are probably just sitting there laughing at me because I put these on wrong. Anyway, I actually think I'm gonna move this to her swim bag because they're jumping out the car to go to school. I'm not about to roll on sun lotion on them. We are trying to downsize here. Next up, we have mosquito and tick spray. Damn kids getting ticks. This one is actually really good. It's by Proven Insect Repellent and it's probably expired, but you know, there's old bugs too. You know, say it's gonna kill everything because there's no expiry date. So yeah, cool. We're just gonna put this back in here. What I would do, especially when there was dengue, there's always dengue. When dengue was acting up or Zika or whatever, I would just spray their feet because while they're at school, you know, their feet are under the desk and stuff. They can't really see the mosquitoes, so I would just spray their feet and just make it catch their clothes too to ward off any mosquitoes and ticks. This one is pretty good. It can't fit. All right, there we go. All right, everybody's in? Everybody's in. Everybody's in. Okay, what else do we have? We have a spray hand sanitizer. Oh, that smells lovely. This is a Jamaican brand. And you know what? We're going to leave this out of the caddy because when we finish the foam, I'm going to put this in. We have tons of sunglasses. So we have Remy's little sunglasses here, and we have Levi's sunglasses here, and then like an old pair of mine. And I actually think I'm going to wash these sunglasses. Okay, I don't think they can fit in a caddy. I'm going to wash them and I'm going to put them right in my center console because my center console is basically empty. Anything else? No, that's it. Okay, so this is it for the little headrest caddy that I have at the back of the driver's seat, right in front of Remy. So it has my insect repellent, it has hand sanitizer, it has masks, it has tissues, and it has wipes. And you know what? I think this is, I'm gonna be happy because, you know what? Let me not say that yet. I need to make sure I can put this in the car because I think I did these things. No, I did them right. Yeah, you girl got it. So this will hang off the car. And then I don't really encourage eating in my car, but you know, anything, she can put her little juice or whatever it may be. Very, very cute. All right, guys, that's it for my video. I hope I was able to help you keep your car organized and clean. Stay tuned for another video coming up. You know I watch too much YouTube. It's not coming up now. It's coming up next week. Next week, your girl gotta relax. I gotta eat something. All right, everybody, that's it for my YouTube video. See you next week. Bye.